Today's video I'm going to solve you some of the problems related to the rational numbers, that the sum of two rational numbers is equal to some quantity if provided the one quantity need to find another quantity. In other case, what number should be added to rational number to get another rational number? Okay, do watch complete video. I'll show you the very easy method to solve this kind of problems. You can adopt this method to solve any kind of problems if they have given this kind of condition. Do watch complete video without missing and support our channel. Please hit a red button and click on bell icon. You will get notification when I upload new videos. You will be the first viewer. Please support our channel. Without wasting our time, we will start our video now. Hi viewers, this is Kumari and very happy to see you at Multitasking Fingertips. Chapter what I have chosen is rational number. In that exercise 1 of B. Okay, the question is the sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20 if one of them is 2 by 5 and we need to find another. Okay, first we will take up greater than. The sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. Sum indicates that addition. Okay, sum indicates that what? Addition. Okay, here the sum of two rational numbers is, I'll take the variable as x plus y. Why I am taking plus means the sum they have given in the question, so that I am taking plus. Okay, that equal to the sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. In that one of them is 2 by 5. Choose any one of the given variable as 2 by 5. Here as usual we will take y as a variable always. We need to find the value of y, right? So that I'll take y equal to, we need to find the required solution. Okay, here I'll choose x equal to 2 by 5. Okay, now we will move on to the concept that implies the given data. In that we are solving the solution. That implies x plus y equal to 9 by 20. In that implies I have to add the value of x we took as 2 by 5. Substitute the value of x 2 by 5 here. Here we need to find the value of y, so that I'll retain value of y variable at LHS side and remaining and I'll shift to the RHS side. The left side of any equal sign we will take it as LHS side, and the right side of any equal sign we will take it as RHS side. Okay, here y I am retaining in LHS side and remaining variables and the terms and everything shifting into RHS side. See here 9 by 20 is a 9 by 20. I am retaining the same. Here plus x is a nothing symbol they have given means we should be considered as plus x. I am shifting plus x to that side. See here like this I am shifting. That time plus x is turns to minus x. Here we should be take minus x. Okay. Here y, that implies y equal to 9 by 20 minus the value of x is what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Here are the LCM of both the denominators. Okay. Here why we need to find the LCM means either both the denominators of the two rational numbers are different. Okay, so that we need to find the LCM of two numbers. Okay. See here I am taking the denominator of two rational numbers as 20, 5. We are finding the LCM of those two. Okay. Here 20 and 5. Both the numbers are divisible by 5, and so that I am taking it as a 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 5. The LCM is equal to 5 into 4 into 1, that equal to 5 4s are 20, 21s are 20. Okay, the LCM of both the denominators what I have got 20 implies y equal to, okay, denominator of both the numbers is 20. Okay, here we need to find the numerator of the individual rational numbers. Okay, first I'll take 9 by 20, multiply with the LCM. 20, 21s are 21s are 9 ones are 9. See here, the numerator of the first rational numbers we are getting there 9. Okay, now we'll move on to the next rational number, this 2 by 5. Okay, and I'm multiplying with again with LCM, and here we need to cancel 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 2 fours are 8. The rational number of this, the numerator we got here 9, that we should write here, and then we have here minus symbol, minus. Here the numerator of this rational number we got 8, that we should be substitute here. Okay, now this implies y equal to 9 minus of 8, 1 divided by 20. This is the required solution of the rational number we need to get for the respective question. I hope you understand this. If you have any query related to this problem, you can comment me in the comment section without missing, and you can ask me any doubts related to the video, and I will suggest you and I will explain you in detail in the next video. Surely I will reply for your message or the comment. Okay, one more problem now I am going to teach you. Before going to start the video, I have a small request from your side. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please hit on the red button and subscribe and click on the bell icon. You will get notification of all videos when I upload. You can see the first video which I am going to upload. You are the first viewer. Please subscribe our channel, and as much as possible share to your friends and family members and neighbors so that they can utilize the content, they can learn some of the concept. Okay, now in this question, the given question, first we will read, which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. Okay, see here, which rational number you should add it to the minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9, which means we should be take any value. I'll take here which first only which they are asking, right? So that I'll take x. Should be added to minus 7 by 8. Added here means addition. Plus which number you should add it to this minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. Understood? I'll explain you one more time. Which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. See here, we can take any one of the variable as to find the given variable. Okay, here I am choosing x as a variable that we need to find the value of x. Here you can choose y, we don't know, so that we need to find y value. Like that also you can choose. Here the starting only they have given which should be added, so I took it as x. X added to minus 7 by 8, that equal to get means equal 5 by 9. Here it is a very simple and easy concept. Watch complete video this. I'll take in by starting, and see here we need to find the value of x, so that retain the value of x at LHS side and put here equal sign. Okay, here in the LHS first number what is that? 5 by 9. Then we need to shift this number to this side. That time minus 7 by 8 is there, minus 7 by 8, that turns to plus 7 by 8, plus 7 by 8. See here, you can notify that in the denominator both the numbers are different, 9 and 8. We can find LCM, and one more step, easy step to solve this problem in a easy manner, that we should do cross multiplication. Okay, see here I'll show you. Here 9 is there, 8 is there. Directly you do multiply with this with this number and this with this number. Okay, see here I'll take line here. The denominator, how you're going to get, you'll get in a dot, right? We should multiply these two numbers. Okay, 9 8s are 72. Okay, then to get the numerator of the first rational number, you should multiply 8 with 5. 8 5s are 40. Here the symbol what we have, plus, and 9 to get the numerator of the second rational number, we should multiply 9 with 7. 9 7s are 63. Okay, see here how easily you got. Implies that x is equal to, add the two values what we have got, 40 plus 63, what, 103, divided by denominator what is there, 72. This is the required solution what we are going to get. I hope if you like this video, please give me a like. Each like is very valuable for me. Please give me a like and comment. I will be waiting for your comments. Without forgetting, share to your friends and red button and subscribe my channel. I will be back tomorrow. Until that, keep watching. Thank you.